Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about mensuration chapter from 6th class. Here mensuration means mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of geometry shapes, their area, volume and related parameters. What is the meaning of mensuration? Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of geometric shapes, their area, volume and related parameters. First, our syllabus is their parameter. Parameter is the distance around a closed figure which we go along the figure once. This is called the, suppose I am taking the one figure, this is one figure, I am giving the names A, B, C, D, A to B and B to C, C to D, D to A. This is the parameter. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. This is called parameter. Taking one more figure also here. Taking this figure, this one figure. This also giving names A, B, C, D, E. Here A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. This is called parameter. And next one example problem I am taking the parameter. One figure I am taking here. Example problem. One example problem parameter. I am taking one figure here. Example. I am taking one figure. This one figure. This names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is a 6 centimeter. A, B 6 centimeter. This 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this is also 2 centimeters. This is 3 centimeter. Here find the area of this figure. Sorry, find the perimeter of this figure. Here first write perimeter of figure what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. What here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A. Here what comes next here? Here equal to, write AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG and GH and H, A. Here what is the AB length? 6 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, CD is 2 centimeter and DE 2 centimeter, EF 2 centimeter, FG 2 centimeter, GH 2 centimeter and HA 3 centimeter. You see here AB is 6 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, CD 2 centimeter, DE 2 centimeter and EF 2 centimeter and FG 2 centimeter and GH 2 centimeter and HA 3 centimeter. Add this all. The first two I added them here. 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5. Again 2 added here. 9 plus 4 13. Here 4 plus 5 9. Next year add 13 plus 9 22 centimeter. See again once here figure one example from here. Perimeter of figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. This A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, F, G, G, H and H, A here. A, B and B, C, C, D. Here what is the value here? 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Once here, what addition answer? 22 centimeter here. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 3, 22 centimeter. Here next here, perimeter of some formulas there, perimeter of a rectangle. First, next one, perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal and each angle is right angle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is opposite sides are equal and each angle is rectangle. Next one, square. All sides equal and each angle is right angle. Next one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides equal and each angle is 60 degree. Each angle is 60 degree. Next here, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. First I am taking the figure is rectangle figure. Rectangle figure A, B, C and D is the length, breadth. Here what the perimeter of rectangle comes here? AB, BC, CD and DA. What AB? L plus B plus L plus B. How many L's here? 2 L's. L plus L, 2 L. B plus B, 2B. 2 rights outside. 2 into L plus B. L means what? Length. B means what? Breadth. What here? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B or 2 into length plus breadth. Next one, perimeter of a square. Next one, perimeter of a square. What is the square figure? Square means all sides are equal. The square. Square means all sides are equal. Square means all sides are equal now. A, B, C, D means A. What comes formula? How many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to what? A plus A plus A plus A. What? How many is here? 4s. 4A. What perimeter of a square formula? 4A. Next one, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Next one, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Next, third topic, what? Perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Third one what? Third one, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? 3 sides are equal. 3 sides are equal, mean this one. And each angle is 60 degree. Here what comes here? AB plus BC plus CA. What here? AB, A and A plus A. How many A's? 3 A's. What here? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle formula what? 3A. 3A means 3 into length of any side or 3 into length of any side. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 into length of any side. First formula what? Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle formula what? 2 into length plus breadth or 2 into L plus B, and perimeter of a square formula 4 into A or 4 into length of any side And next to perimeter of equilateral triangle 3A or 3 into length of any side. A means what? Length. Next one 2D. 2D means two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape means length and breadth. Next one 3D. 3D means three-dimensional shape. Length, breadth and height. Next one regular shapes. Regular shape means regular shape or polygon. Polygon means polygon is a closed figure made up of line segment. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segment. Next one regular polygon. Regular polygon means regular polygon is a closed figure. All sides and all angles are equal. Regular polygon means what? All sides and all angles are equal. Next one more perimeter of regular pentagonal. Perimeter of regular pentagonal formula what? 5 into length of any side. What perimeter of regular pentagonal? Penta means 5. 5 into length of any side. Next perimeter of regular hexagonal. Perimeter of hexagonal. Hexa means 6. So what comes here? 6 into length of any side. Perimeter of hexagonal. Next one perimeter of septagonal. Septa means what? 7. Perimeter of regular septagonal. 7 into length of any side. 7 into length of any side. Next last topic is perimeter of octagonal. Perimeter of regular octagonal. Octa means 8. So what comes here? 8 into length of any side. Thank you, students.